Hi guys, welcome back to CiSuite. My name is Krystal and I'm really excited for today's video because we are doing a Aura Estelle unboxing. So when you open the box up, this is what we have. Take out the tissue paper and then I'm going to take this out and we'll move the box over to the side. So the first thing we have is this freebie sticker sheet. Super cute. And then we have the main event here. I'm going to do this last. I actually got some other accessories I'm going to look at first. So we have this little thing here. This is one of their cloud charms. So we got this in the color Snow Angel. So I'm going to set that off to the side. And then the next thing I got is this dashboard. And this fits my B6 Airy that we'll take a look at in just a minute. This one has the blossom pattern on the front. Super cute, and a little pocket so you have some extra storage. And then the back is just plain. So I'm going to set that to the side. And then I also got this. So I wanted to try out the Aura Estelle and Any Plans collab notebooks. This one is actually an oops, and I'll show you that when we open it up a little bit. So this is the Weekly Essentials kit or book. And so here you have like an example of how you can use it. And then we have our year at a glance here. You have 23 and the first few months of 2024. These pages are grid. Then you have your monthly view here. And so one of the oopses that's in this is in the month of April. So I'm going to flip to April. And you'll see here April has 2 R's. So what they did is they gave us this sticker sheet and it has April right here that's spelled correctly, so you can just put it on top of that. And then there's another oops where Tuesday on all of the months is spelled wrong. So they also on this sticker sheet gave us Tuesday stickers that we can cover all the Tuesdays up with. So I thought that was okay for this. I really just wanted to try the paper out. I've really been enjoying my Hobonichi weeks. And so I wanted to kind of compare the paper and all of that. So this was 50% off, I think. I think they're normally like $32 or something, and this was $16. So I thought it was a pretty good deal. Paper is pretty thin. So what you have is you have like a sidebar over here, and then you have the days of the week, and then on this side is just grid paper, so you can put to-do lists, you can doodle, you can do whatever you need to do on that side. So it's a very similar setup to the Hobonichi weeks, but this is in the A5 size. So I'm going to put that to the side as well, and we are going to get into the main event, which is why I purchased or why I placed this order, and it is for this beauty here. So you open her up. I got the A5 Airy, and this is the new mesh cover. So you open her, and then I really thought this detail was so cute. So it's mesh detail, and then it has polka dots on the top, which are like felt, I think. So they're like a felt material, and then you can see through here. I thought this is so cute, and I love the color. It's so pretty. All right, let's open it up and see what the inside looks like. So on the inside, we have one pocket here, and then we have a mesh pocket here at the bottom. You have one side pocket, your ribbons, and then on this side, you have another pocket. This is where the back of your notebook would go. You have a secretarial, and then another really interesting feature is this adjustable strap. And then you have 2 pin loops that are on the strap. So this you can, I'm not exactly sure how you work it, but I think you take it out somehow. Okay, I'm not going to do that on camera right now, but you can take it out and then move it to these other slots based on how chunky your planner is. So let's go ahead and see how this fits in here. Again, this is the A5 size. So looking at it, I can tell you right now there's a lot of room in here. So you could probably, not probably, you could fit another notebook in here. Even with this one chunked up, I don't think it's gonna take up that much space. So you have a lot of room on the inside of this one. This planner cover is so pretty. All right, I also wanted to compare this to my B6 Airy because there are some differences that I see already. And so I kind of wanted to put them side by side and see how they compare. All right, so here we have the new A5 Airy cover that I just unboxed, and this is my B6 Airy cover. So looking at this left pocket, you can already see a few differences. So this one only has 2 pockets, where over here we have 3 card slots and then 1 scalloped pocket down here at the bottom. And then on this side, we just have this 1 slit pocket, whereas on my B6, we have this pocket and then also this one. So that's one difference I see already. They both have this charm loop at the bottom. They both have the 2 ribbons, so I don't see any differences there. And then onto the back, they do both have the 2 secretarial, or the 1 secretarial pocket, but this one is more round and this one's a little bit more square. And then they both have the back pocket for your notebook to go. And then looking at the strap, we have another difference. So this one is adjustable, right? Whereas my B6 Airy is not adjustable. And then they do still both have the 2 pin loops on the straps. So if you were looking to get the B6 size, there are a few differences that you notice. Now, I have had this one for a while, so they may have updated this design to where it now has the adjustable strap, but I'm not sure. So just wanted to do that comparison. Also, if you want to see a flip through of this, I do have that on my channel as well. Actually, while we're here, let's go ahead and show you how this dashboard fits. Actually, you know what? That's not for this one. That is for my B6 Cloud. So I will do that off camera. So that is, I think, everything that we have. This charm, I did get to go on this one. So let's see how that looks real quick. So there we have the charm. Super cute. I didn't get it personalized, but now I kind of wish I did. Super cute. And I think I am going to go ahead and grab my B6 Cloud Planner so we can see how this fits. So here is my B6 Cloud Planner. This is what I'm using as my business planner, also my content planner this year. I also have a flip through of this one on my channel if you're interested. But let's just flip to an empty page. And then you would take this and slide it right in there. Super cute. So it has this little tab on the side, which is cool because then you can use this like as your today marker, and then you already know, you can get to today pretty quickly by just using that tab. So that's cute. I like that. And then again, you have this little pocket for some storage. So I think that's nice. I like it. And then one more thing I was really curious about, which I'm sure I know the answer to, but I want to try it out anyway, is whether or not the Erin Condren Daily Duo in the A5 size would fit inside of this planner cover. I don't think it will, but I want to try it out and see anyway. So let's see. Oh, hold on, wait. We might be in for a surprise. You do have to use a little bit of elbow grease, but not too much. Oh, I don't think it's going to close though. Yeah, it's not going to close, but it almost fits in there. That would have been perfect if it did fit, but I didn't think it was going to, but I wanted to try it out anyway. So in case you were wondering, the A5 Daily Duo from Erin Condren does not fit in here. So this is everything that I got from Aura Estelle. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more. I've done quite a bit of shopping lately, so I have a couple more haul videos if you're interested in seeing those. So until the next one, guys, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
But I'm so frustrated.